Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
In this video, I am going to construct analytic function whose real part is u is equal to e to the power 2x into x cos 2y minus y times the sin 2y. Now, let me consider an analytic function. Consider analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. Therefore, f dash of z will become dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. But here u is given. From this one dou u by dou x I can find out, but I cannot find out dou v by dou x. This dou v by dou x can be also replaced by in terms of partial derivative of u by using the CR equations. Okay, by CR equations, dou u by dou x is nothing but dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. Correct? This dou v by dou x can be replaced by minus dou u by dou y. Therefore, f dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x minus I into dou u by dou y I can write. Okay, therefore let me find out the partial derivative of u with respect to x and y. Substitute in this. Call this equation number 1. Okay, now u is equal to e to the power 2x into bracket x cos 2y minus y sin of 2y. Okay, therefore partial derivatives dou u by dou x is equal to, while finding dou u by dou x, the terms is the product of 2x and this one also function of something function of x. Therefore, I have to use a product rule for this one. Therefore, I will write it as e to the power 2x into partial derivative of this one with respect to x. While differentiating this one partial with respect to x, again x into cos 2y is there. X is partial difference is 1, cos 2y is a constant, cos 2y minus, but here no x term is there, 0, and x differentiation is 1 partial, plus x cos 2y minus y sin 2y into partial derivative with respect to x of e raised to 2x will become e raised to 2x into 2. And from this, to simplify this one, let me take e raised to 2x common. If I am taking e raised to 2x common, then cos 2y also common, cos 2y common, then it will become 1, and here it is plus 2x. Why? X into 2, that is taken common, and no sin y is there, therefore I can write it as minus y sin of 2y. This is my dou u by dou x. Okay, similarly dou u by dou y I have to calculate. Dou u by dou y is equal to, now partial derivative with respect to y now. While differentiating partially with respect to y, e raised to x is constant. Constant is multiplied, therefore no need not to apply the product rule for whole term. Therefore e raised to 2x constant. This one only have to differentiate partially with respect to y. While differentiate with respect to partially with respect to y, x into cos 2y is there. Again x is constant. Differentiation partially with respect to cos y will become minus sin 2y into 2. Whereas here second term y into sin 2y is there. Product of y into sin 2y is there. Therefore product rule I have to use here. That's why I will write it as y into cos 2y into 2. Partial y into sin 2y differentiation is cos 2y y plus sin 2y into partial differentiation of y is 1. This one I will simplify and write it as e raised to 2x into bracket minus sin 2y, and one more sin 2y is there. From these two sin 2y will take common. sine 2y, if I take common, then it will remain with the minus x, 2x, minus 2x, and here minus plus become minus 1. Next, minus this from this one, cos 2y is there, only one term, therefore it is minus 2y cos 2y. This is my dou u by dou y. Okay, this is dou u by dou y, and this is dou u by dou x. To avoid confusion in the substitution, let me find out this dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y at x equal to z and y equal to 0. Therefore, at x equal to z, this is Milne-Thomson method, what I am following. Okay, in y equal to 0. Therefore, dou u by dou x will become, okay, this is my dou u by dou x, what I am calculated. In this I will put x equal to z and y equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0 here, x equal to z, e to the power 2z into cos 0 into 1 plus 2z, 1 plus 2z minus y equal to 0 sine 0, which is nothing but cos 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 plus 2z into e to the power 2z is my dou u by dou x now at x equal to z and y equal to 0. Similarly, dou u by dou y. Therefore, dou u by dou y at x equal to z and y equal to 0. In this, I will substitute e to the power 2z into sine 0 into minus 2z minus 0 minus 2 into 0 into cos 0. Therefore, total it will become 0 only. Correct? This is my dou u by dou y will become 0. Substituting this dou u by dou y and dou u by dou x in equation number 1. That is my equation number 1. F dash of z equal to dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y. Therefore, f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x 1 plus 2z into e to the power 2z plus I or minus I into 0. Okay, which is equal to 1 plus 2z into e to the power 2z. Therefore, I want f of z, analytic function, but here f dash of z I got on integration with respect to z. F of z is equal to integration of 1 plus 2z into e to the power 2z dz. Okay, now I have to integrate this one. To integrate this one, I will use Bernoulli's rule directly. Okay, that is 1 plus 2z as it is. Integration of e to the power 2z is e to the power 2z divided by 2 minus differentiation of 1 plus 2z is nothing but 0 plus 2 into integration of e to the power 2z divided by 2 again, e to the power 2z divided by 2 square. If you are going for other term, automatically differential will become 0. Therefore, stop here. Okay, then this one I have to simplify. To simplify this one, I will take common e to the power 2z. E to the power 2z I will take common, then will remain with or divided by 2 also I can take common. E to the power 2z divided by 2 also I can take common, then will remain with 1 plus 2z. This is whole taken common minus 2 and 1 by 2 is taken common already 1 by 2. Therefore, this 2 to avoid plus c I will write constant. You can check that 2 cancels, plus 1 minus 1, and this one cancels. That is nothing but and also this 2 cancel. Therefore, it becomes z into e to the power 2z plus c is the required function, analytic function f of z. Okay, this is Bernoulli's rule what I used, and this cancellation you can do yourself. Therefore, my required analytic function is z e to the power 2z, whose real part is e to the power 2x into x cos 2y minus y sin 2y. Okay, like this, some more examples I am going to solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.